switch, check on. Flight instruments are checked. Yep, roger. Fuel selector on your proper tank. Yep. 8.7, okay. Mixture set for a little bit. Yeah. And let's see, electric fuel pump is on. Carburetor heat off. Engine gauges check. Static source is normal. Okay, all our seats are latched in the tracks. Seat backs are erect. Belts, harnesses, fastened. Flap set for takeoff. Okay, trim tab. Looks good, yeah. Controls are free and moving. Okay, doors we are closed and latched. And we got the overhead hatch. Transponder is on alt. Yep, we're good. And looks good. Alright. Let's do this. Yeah, it's a little bit windy today.